YouTube channel and IITM form filling video 2022. So as you already saw our notification video, if not then in the comment section I will give you the link. Okay, you can check that. So for position is scientist B, form last date is 16 September 2022 and salary will be approximately 12 lakh per annum. Now I will show you detailed form filling video and along with that we will discuss some important points also. Before that, what documents you required? Okay, so your SSC mark sheet is required, then your 12th or diploma mark sheet is required, and bachelor's and master's mark sheet plus your certificate is required. Okay, if you have your photo which should not be more than 3 months, then you need to upload that. And for professionals, resume you need to upload for the scientist B position. Now very important thing, when you will apply to the form, okay, and when you will submit the form, then that form along with the documents you need to post them via speed post, okay, before 23rd September 2022. So before, if you send them, then only you are considered for the recruitment. Okay, otherwise if your document or speed post receive after 23rd of September, then you are not eligible for this and your application automatically will get rejected. Okay, if you submit or if they receive your post after 23rd of September. So this is a very important thing. Now on envelope what you will write, basically application for the post of, okay, scientist B, scientist C, scientist D, you will write according to your position for IITM. Okay, this is title which you will write, and the address is this, you can see here. Okay, so you can note down also. Now when you will click on the link, okay, this page will get open. So this is the direct form filling page. Now what you need to select, basically post code first, for which position you want to apply. Okay, so this video is for freshers, so we will apply for scientist B. For experienced person you can apply to scientist C also and D also. Do check notification in the notification video. Now enter your first name here, which is mandatory. Okay, middle name and last name, and it should be as per your SSC mark sheet. Okay, that is most important thing. Then select your gender here, male or female. Then whether you are working in government service or not. So if you select yes, then yes, otherwise no. Okay, then your mailing address and your permanent address, that you will enter here. Then your mobile number, email ID, alternate email ID also you need to provide here. Then date of birth you will just select from this calendar. Then nationality you will write here. Okay, then you will select your category. So this vacancy is for not for general, for basically scientist B, so you can select SC, ST and OBC. Okay, then subcategory also you will select. Next one is your academic record. Okay, now here all the fields are mandatory. So what you will do, basically first just put your year of passing for your SSC, okay, that you will enter. Then board and university. Okay, then percentage of marks, what percentage you got in SSC, that you will enter. Similar for HSC, similar for diploma. Now if you complete diploma and not HSC, then just write here. Okay, if you complete HSC not diploma, then just write here. Then in bachelor you can select BSc, BTech, BE, BCA, other. Okay, so if you select other, then you have to enter here what bachelor degree you have, and you can select BE, BTech depending on your qualification. Again, year of passing, your pass out year. Then board on university. Okay, then subject, that is basically here you need to enter your branch, that is electrical, electronics, okay, triple E, mechanical, civil, you can enter here. And your percentage, and it should be compulsory 60 above. Okay, and it should be aggregate. So this is the important thing you have to note down. If you complete your masters, okay, in MTech also, if you complete MTech also, then you can select other, or directly here we have option for MTech directly, so just you can put down the details here. Okay, and this is specifically for scientist C and scientist D. If you complete your PhD, then for PhD you will enter the things. Okay, any other qualification you have, you can also enter this. Okay, now next, if you are qualified CSR net or UGC net or GATE exam or equivalent computer exam, then you can click here yes, otherwise you can simply click on no. Okay, now just if you have scorecard of GATE exam, UGC net and CSR net, then I will suggest you to just click on yes here. Then total number of years of experience in the relevant field as per essential qualification. Okay, so for scientist we just put 0 here, and number of year post of experience. Okay, so this is also you can put 0. For scientist C and D you need to enter some things here. Then computer skills also you can enter, like MS Word, okay, MS Excel, that skill you can enter here. Area of interest, so you can mention also area of interest. It is not mandatory, but still you can enter. Okay, whether it is R&D or whether it is a microwave, then your radar, anything you can enter according to you. List of publications, so while doing your BTech project or any project, if you publish some papers, then also you can mention that. Okay, see whatever you can mention here, just if possible whatever you did in your BTech or in PhD or in your MTech, okay, just put here, because this will give you advantage to you guys. Any other achievement also you can just put here. Okay, like I got this rank in GATE exam, this rank in UGC net, just small achievement also you can put here. Okay, Next, now employment record. So here all the professionals, those who are working or those who already work somewhere, okay, you have to enter the things here. That is post. What is your post name? Okay, it's like software developer. From to means from 2019 to 2022 if you leave the company. Otherwise, if you are currently working, then you can just leave it blank. Okay, total years of experience you will enter here. That is 2.5, 2.8 or 3.10 according to you. Organization name and location, monthly salary and scale of pay, this is and brief nature of work performed. So what are your job responsibility, you will just put here. Okay, then you have to upload your resume for those who are professionals, and for those who are freshers you will upload your SSC mark sheet. Okay, then your degree mark sheet plus certificate is required. So all the things you will combine, and PDF size should be not more than 4 Mbps. Okay, then you will upload your photograph. So just click on here, choose file, and you can upload your photograph. Okay, make sure it should be recent one. Then you can preview if you want, otherwise directly you can go here. Okay, where you will tick this thing, then you will enter this captcha and just click on submit button.